Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're going to see if the TCH 800B can beat the beef. What do you think, Mrs. D?
I think the beef will definitely be able to open these ones.
Definitely.
Definitely,
How
because
much?
them ones are easy.
Not really.
They're easy. I can get with them ones.
Can you?
I think so.
No, you can't.
Well, I think I can. So.
Okay, we'll try that out later
Mm.
Anyway, let's give this a go. So you can see double lock is on. Double lock is off.
See? Alright.
Now the tricky part of the TCH though is they have a triple pole locking mechanism.
Now you'll be able to do it. Come on, beef. You can do it.
Open.
Yay! I was right.
So the TCH 800B cannot beat the beef. So that is now beef 13, cuffs 4. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye! Your best thing, if you're trying to break into it, you get a call, right?
Right.
Right? And then you've got the call.
Right.
Right?
Right.
And then you just drive into the garage door, right?
Destructive entry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
And then what you do, right, is you take the car back out of the door, and then there's like this hole, right? And then you can like walk in.
So is it like a cartoony kind of perfectly car shaped hole with like wing mirror holes and everything?
No, because that's just made believe.